So this will become the world's first Mobula6 4K. This is my favorite tiny whoop, the Mobula6 HD. It's small and it's quiet, so I can fly anywhere indoor. And the video signal is very good as well. But the Runcam Nano 3 camera is not working anymore. Boots up, but then the image just white color. I have the Scene Fun, which flies fine, but not the same kind of characteristic as the Mobula HD. This is more agile, this is more stable. Both Front 1S has a 4K camera, so I'm gonna attempt to switch this over there. Looks like they both have the same form factor of 35.5mm mounting. Very similarly sized camera. Looks like almost the same mounting point. Both are using 3 wires, power, ground, and the video should be a very simple, straightforward swap. VTX are connected using connector on both of them as well, so it looks like I don't even need to do soldering. The wiring sequence on both of them, they are the same. Just an easy swap. Yes. Both of them have the voltage step up to 5V actually. My battery is 3.7 but it's showing 5V output for the VTX. 4K camera. Plugging this in. I should have done this earlier because this is such an easy conversion. Ladies and gentlemen, 4K camera on the Mobula6. Check this out. Does it work? Yeah. There you go. But quality seems not very good. I mean, this can record 4K, so I'm going to show you the quality later. I'm reusing the Mobula6 camera cover. Swap the 4K camera over. Look at the camera lens size. Runcam one is larger, more like Ghost in. Quality is better, right? So far from my experience, Runcam has better video quality compared to the Cadix. Click the left thumbnail for latest video or smash the subscribe button on the video screen. So I'll see you on next video. Bye!